Welcome to Always Dolls.
And thanks for joining us. Today, we show you how we transformed our doll room into the local bean coffee shop for our dolls.
To start, we emptied out and cleaned one of the bigger rooms in our dollhouse. To mimic a hardwood floor, we used these vinyl adhesive tiles bought from Daiso for $2.80 a packet. We used 6 complete tiles and cut down the 7th with a Stanley knife to fit the space. To add detail to the walls, we made faux paneling from pink poster board and added strips of white and black foam board to the top and bottom. Here we used double-sided tape to semi-permanently adhere the panel to the melamine wall.
On the opposite side of the room, we wanted the look of a brick wall around the entrance. It is made from more poster board covered with red brick scrapbooking paper from this creative brand of textured paper set. It took 4 sheets to cover the wall and a 3D door area.
We matted the sign on yellow and red poster board to help it pop off the wall and used dark blue spray paint on the door trim to look similar to that in the AG promotional pictures. Now the room is prepped, we can start adding in furniture. First, we have our DIY coffee shop stand and barista bar coffee maker. We removed the faux marble eating counter so we can position it flush against the back wall.
On the shelf, we put a couple of Totally Rudy's coffee bags, our DIY pumpkin spice latte, and an Our Generation notepad.
Inside the fridge, the shop is stocked with almond milk, a jumbo milk bottle from Mary Ellen's collection, whipped cream, and a Shopkins mini toy for our cream cheese container. There is also a cherry pie, which fits perfectly on the bottom shelf. We want to hot glue the marble eating counter underneath the window, making sure it's high enough to fit our bar stools.
To help decorate the window area, we took the trio of hanging plants from our doll kitchen. It is secured to the top of the foam board frame with a small sewing pin through the string. We also added some AG mini magazines and an OG smoothie to complete the space.
In the centre of the room, we are going to put the cafe serving counter. We repainted the top a darker blue to match. Inside, we have filled it with yummy sweets and treats. Turn it around to the other window and we have stocked it with sandwiches, cakes and a whole lot more. On the counter, we placed a plant in a black pot and took a telephone from one of AG's older sets to tie in the pink colour. We bought the monitor off eBay, so we made our own inserts from paperboard and printouts. To give our barista somewhere to stand, we're going to close up this area with our DIY checkout counter. We filled it with more DIY and AG food pieces. Oh, and don't forget the bell.
On the floor, we have a jute placemat bought from Kmart. Then put the tea time table and chairs in the corner. We set the table inspired by 2 uni students who are aiming to use the free Wi-Fi.
To decorate the walls, we printed a stock image of the coffee shop sign and printed off the colourful mural. There you have it, our doll room transformation is complete. We now have our very own local bean coffee shop. Kyle has volunteered to manage the store so all his doll friends can get coffees and lattes.
Our local bean coffee shop is very popular and we hope to see Corinne Tan soon. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to support our channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!